Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I was going to show you guys my quick little Herschners haul that I want to share with you guys. I ordered some yarn from Herschners. This was my very first time ever ordering from Herschners, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys haven't ordered from Herschners yet, you guys are crazy. Their shipping was insanely fast. This video is not sponsored by them, nor did they pay me to say this, but I just wanted to get on camera and just tell you guys how amazing their shipping was. I have been wanting to order from Herschners for a while now. As you guys may know, Joanns has closed and I am devastated, and I'm pretty sure all of you guys are as well. So I've had to resort to shopping at Michael's, Hobby Lobby in my area, and also ordering now from Herschners. So if you're looking for Red Heart and Big Twist and things like that, they do have them on the website. Check it out, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Hi everyone, in today's video I have a Herschners haul for you guys. I have never ordered from Herschners before. This is actually my very first time ordering from them. I kind of hesitated in buying from them a long time ago because of the shipping costs, and the prices can be kind of expensive, but being that Joann is out of business and I needed to stock up on my Red Heart yarn, I went ahead and ordered from them. And I also ordered some Bernat Super Saver. I think it's Super Value. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. I thought I would share with you guys what I got. So here is my order. I ordered quite a few with my mother-in-law. And we paid about $68 there. So I'm gonna get right into it. I went ahead and ordered some Red Heart skeins, and this is in the color Flamingo. I thought this was an interesting color. I don't think I've ever had it before, but it's really pretty, and I like the feel of it already. And this is a number 4, in case you're wondering. It's a really pretty color. Kind of looks like a coral red off color, but Flamingo definitely explains that well. So I got that color. The next color I got was pumpkin, and I had this color a long time ago, but I ran out of it, so I thought I would order it. This is also a number 4 yarn weight. And it's a nice color to have, especially that it's summer. Could do some fun things with this color. The next color I got was this pretty and pink color. Yeah, it's pretty and pink, and I've had this color over the years, and this color has grown on me a lot. Like, I had so many of these skeins when Joann's was open. I used to always buy these all the time because this is one of my favorite colors to use to make dog sweaters, dog hats, and things like that. I haven't had the chance to make other things with it, but I think I'm going to. But this is also a number 4 weight yarn. You have to get this color, you guys. Like, if you guys have never had this color before, get it. Again, it's called Pretty in Pink. The next color I got was Saffron. This is such a pretty color. I've done so many things with this color before. I went and made an ice cream cone scarf for my niece with this color, among other colors. This is also a number 4 weight yarn. A must color that you must have. See, the next color I got, I believe, is a raspberry color, and this is called Light Raspberry. And I had this color a long time ago, but I ran out of it as well, so I thought I would buy it. And you know, I'm starting to see some of the fibers come up here, but that's okay. It's part of the yarn life. Okay. The last color from Red Heart that I had purchased was this color called Carrot. And this is also a number 4 weight yarn. This is a must-have. I love Carrot. This was actually one of the first skeins that I bought when I first started crocheting. But I did so many things. I remember experimenting with Hazel's outfits in this color. Like little hoodies and sweaters and beanies. But if you are a collector of yarn, this is definitely something you must have. Okay, lastly, the bag of skeins you see here are by Bernat. I have it upside down. This is Bernat, and this is something that I've always wanted. I have never tried the Bernat Super Value, and this is going to be my very first time using it, so I want to make a granny square sweater with it, and I'm going to see how that goes. So yeah, this is really pretty. I'm going to take one out and I'm going to see how I like it, because I haven't ever held one of these before. Okay, so I finally got one out of the bag. First impression is, okay, I like the feeling of it. It's really nice. It's soft. It doesn't have a rough feeling to it, which is nice. And it feels like it's gonna crochet nicely. This is also a number 4 weight yarn. It looks like it calls for a number 5 hook there. And this one is called Redwood Heather, if anybody's wondering. It's a really pretty color in person. So that is going to be it for my haul. All right, and that wraps up the haul for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And also comment below. Let me know if you've ever ordered from Herschners before and what your experience was and what did you order. I would like to know what I should order next and maybe try out. Thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. I love you all. Take care. Until next time.